In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel workflows. We'll build a simple automation that reacts to a form submission, creates a contact, and sends a welcome email, so you can see how the pieces fit together from end to end. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel account and head to your company dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Automation, then go to Workflows. Click Create Workflow. A workflow in GoHighLevel is an automated sequence that listens for a specific event and then performs a series of actions for you. No manual follow-up needed. For this walkthrough, choose Start from Scratch. You can also start from a template or a company-based workflow if you prefer a head start, but building from scratch helps you learn the core building blocks. Give the workflow a clear name. Let's call it New Leads, so you and your team can recognize it later. Next, add a trigger. Triggers are the when this happens condition that starts the automation. Select form, submitted for this example. That means anytime a lead completes your form, the workflow will fire. Save the trigger. Now, let's add actions. Actions are the do this next steps your workflow performs automatically. Choose Create Contact. This ties perfectly to our trigger. When someone submits a form, we want to make sure they're in your CRM. Click Add Field, select Full Name, then use Custom Values, and choose Account, then Name. Add another field for email, again using Account, then Email. Add one more field for phone and choose Account, then Phone. These fields are essential for organizing and communicating with your leads. Custom values let you drop in dynamic placeholders so information stays consistent. In your own setup, you can map to the exact form fields you collect. Save the action. Click the plus icon to add another action and select Send Email. This lets your workflow send an automated message right away. Great for confirmations and introductions. Name this action Welcome Email to keep things organized. Set the From Name to User and the From Email to Email so your message sends from your configured profile. For the subject, choose Company to dynamically reference your organization and keep branding consistent. These choices pull from your account's settings, helping maintain a professional, recognizable sender identity. Keep your subject clear and on-brand, and personalize your content to improve deliverability and engagement. Finally, click Save Action and Publish. You've just created a GoHighLevel workflow that captures a form submission, creates a contact with key details, and sends a welcome email, all on autopilot. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.